Miracle plant or bryophyllum pinnatum is a very good medicinal plant that everyone should have in their home. It helps in the treatment of cough, asthma, high blood pressure, treatment of umbilical cord healing in children. And on this day, I decided to boil 3 leaves to treat the stubborn cough that has not let me be greater. I cut 3 leaves from the garden and washed them thoroughly, boiled them for 10 minutes and made a tea out of it. I divided the water and drank it twice. This is the second day I'm drinking it, and honestly I'm getting good relief from the bad cough. I hope you found this helpful. Will you give it a try?